Hello everyone, I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn the correct placement of adverbs of frequency in sentences. Let's begin with the key points. Placement in sentences with action verbs. Placement in sentences with be verbs. Placement in sentences with modal and auxiliary verbs. Practice examples. Summary. Placement in sentences with action verbs. In the previous video, we learned that adverbs of frequency describe how often something happens. Now, let's learn where to place them in different sentences. When using adverbs of frequency with action verbs, the adverb goes before the main verb. Repeat after me. I always wake up at 7 a.m. She often visits her grandmother. They sometimes play soccer in the park. Great job. Placement in sentences with be verbs. When using adverbs of frequency with the verb to be, am, is, are, was, were, the adverb comes after the verb. Repeat after me. I am always late for meetings. We are usually happy on weekends. My brother is never tired in the morning. Excellent. Placement in sentences with modal and auxiliary verbs. If the sentence has a modal verb, can, should, must, or an auxiliary verb, have, has, had, do, does, did, the adverb of frequency goes after the modal verb and before the main verb. Let's practice together. You should always tell the truth. He can usually help us with homework. We must never be late for work. They don't always agree with each other. I have never been to Japan. Fantastic. Practice examples. Let's practice together. She always goes to the gym after work. We are sometimes late to class. I don't usually watch TV in the morning. He can never finish his work on time. Great work. Summary. Let's review what we learned today. We place the adverbs of frequency before the main verb. I always drink tea in the morning. After to be verbs. She is often late for school. After modal and auxiliary verbs, and before the main verb. You should never lie. She does sometimes eat fast food. Keep practicing, and soon this will feel natural. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.